I just wanted to welcome you first. And what kind of a jewelry lover you are, because you are doing a great shopping here, I can see that.
Well, first and foremost, thank you so much for having me here. And today we have come here for the grand inauguration of Asia Jewels Show, and it's an exclusive exhibition that promotes, that features the top jewelry brands and the jewelers from every nook and corner of the country. So this is a very big thing, and for me also, it's an opportunity to come here to explore every kind of jewelry. See, I'll tell you, I'm really fond of jewelry.
That's why I asked you what kind of jewelry lover you are.
That's a very much part of my profession, but otherwise also I really like wearing jewelry. So in my real life, or you can say regular life, I always wear studs, then sleek chain and the bracelet, and yes, not to forget anklets. I love wearing anklets, silver one.
And now I can see which this is your choice, a heavy jewelry, because mostly we are getting scared of wearing heavy jewelry. Do you love that?
Honestly, I love that. Okay. I love that. If I am going for some event and I have to, dress up in traditional wear, then definitely heavy jewelry is love.
If we have to find out how many sets of jewelry you have, can you count and tell in your cupboard?
No. Mostly whatever money I earn, I invest in properties, so I don't buy jewelry.
Okay.
Or if I get in collaboration. Wherever I go, the people give me jewelry just like that. So I don't have to buy that.
Okay. But what number you have? Can you reveal?
I have just four.
Four diamond sets, gold set, or what?
Two are diamonds, one is platinum and one is gold. See, I remember on my fingertips.
Yeah. You maintain your jewelry so much.
And Mama does that for me.
Okay. And what the first gift you got from your jewelry, or you have gifted to somebody?
I remember when I was a kid, like 10 years back, you can say, when I started my career. Then my mom gifted me a very nice, sleek gold ring, the simple one.
Okay.
तब उस वक्त में उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू होती थी. Today तो we don't even value.
Okay.
तो मम्मा ने मुझे वो गिफ्ट किया था, and now she's asking bangles from me. So definitely I'm heading to Dubai after this, and I'm gonna buy that for Mama.
Anything you remember you gifted yourself, and first jewelry you bought for yourself with your first check and salary?
Chain. A white gold chain.
Okay, and you invest in gold because as gold is growing, what kind of an investment planner you are?
I told you, whatever I earn, I invest in properties, but now, last year only I was about to buy a few biscuits of gold, but I was quite occupied with my shoots and all. But this time I'm thinking I should go and buy at least 4 to 5 biscuits.
Okay.
Let me sign one more movie, then I'll buy it.
You will. And what are your future projects? We are missing you, and what's going on the cards?
Right now I'm not in that mind space to work because recently my father passed away. So I'm just coming out from there, and I have few projects in pipeline, and I'm reading few scripts also, but as of now I don't feel like working like for another 1 or 2 months.
But that's a point. I know we have to keep going, and as daughters we always close to that. I mean, I want you to come out of that and move on.
That's why
I just want to know a message from yourself, how you keep up your the thing alive when something close to your close parent goes. What makes you to come out?
Losing a parent is a nightmare actually, and how I am coping with that loss, only I know that. Every day in the morning when I wake up, only one thought strikes my mind, and that is, where's my papa, where's my dad? And he used to be so fun, you won't imagine. Like, if I'm wearing this thing now, if I'll send him photograph, he would be like, oh gosh, Tinky, you are looking so good, so good.
So how you're reverting your mind, a big moment in your life, emotionally you're going through, how you're overcoming that?
It's just that he told me when he was going, like, I want you to continue your work and I want you to make me feel proud. So that's the thing that got stuck with me. And this is my first event after his passing. And I've come here to work, and I keep on working for him. And every single day I want to make him proud, and I want to prove that I am his daughter. That's it.
Good. So how you give the message to all the women out there who are strong, and you are flourishing all over the world, work-wise, emotionally wise, everything you're overcoming. So what message you give to yourself and to all the women out there?
So thank you so much for this appreciation. It really means a lot. And right now I'm getting all my, that confidence, everything from my mother. She's my backbone, and she has got my back. So I think just want to say one thing to everybody, that have confidence in you and you can conquer the world. nobody can stop you. Don't listen to anybody. Stop all the noises, whatever is coming. So stop all the noises and go ahead.
So what are the future projects we can see you? You're eagerly waiting to work for.
I have signed couple of projects, and right now we are shooting for that. One is Tamil, one is Punjabi, and few are in Telugu. So I'm quite exuberant and feeling really excited for those projects. And soon I'll update.
But any dream you have still that you want to fulfill in Indian cinema?
I want to do some commercial film. Commercial as in where I'll get to dance, where I'll get to do all the fun and the bubbliness and everything. Something like Jab We Met, if you have seen.
Okay.
Yeah. That sort of movie I want to.
So we can ask your favorite actress is Kareena. Like you, the way you're selling. Who's your favorite actress you always follow?
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ, Kareena Kapoor.
That's
Yes.
great. An actor you always admire.
Actor in Hindi movies.
Anywhere.
Well, I
Close to you.
Nasuruddin Shah.
Okay.
And here in Telugu it's
And
Prabhas.
Telugu whom you? Oh, Prabhas. That's
Prabhas
it.
and Allu Arjun Garu.
Allu Arjun
Both of
Garu.
them, yes.
I think hope to see you more projects with them in the future. Are you waiting for that to do?
Hopefully.